Hello everyone, it's really good to see you here. So in today's video, we are going to talk about how we can make a readme file in GitHub. So readme file is a profile which showcases whatever the thing you have done in the past directly to your GitHub account. So it's very important to have a readme file. So let's see how we can create one. It's very important to have a readme file because it directly acts as a profile of yours on GitHub. So let's see how we can do that. You just simply have to open your GitHub and then click on new repository. But before that, just copy this. Whatever the name you have, the username, just copy this and then create repository. So from here, you have to just click new repository, and once you got it, just type this name here. So once you have typed it, add a readme file. Do try to add this or select this one because it's very important in order to have a readme file. Now create repository. So you can see that here now you have this, and let's go on your profile and see if this is looking like that or not. So here you can see that in the overview you got he there, right? You can edit this. So you can import all these codes because it's currently commented. You can uncomment it. Now you can also see the preview how it looks like on your profile, and then commit the changes. So yeah, this is it for this video. In this video you just learn how to create a readme file. Later on I can help you in order to create a very useful readme file for your GitHub profile. So this is it for this video. I hope you liked it. Do like, share and subscribe to the channel, and thanks for watching.